Good evening class, second year English medium. I am Vibhu Shukla. Today I continue the chapter derivative as a rate measurer. Exercise 9, question number 14. A particle moves along the curve 6y equal to x cube plus 2. Find the points on the curve at which y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as x coordinate. Means derivative of y with respect to t is 8 times derivative of x with respect to t. So find the points on the curve. Find out coordinate of the value of x and y. The equation of curve is 6y equal to x cube plus 2. Differentiate both side. Differentiate both side with respect to x. Therefore 6 times derivative of y with respect to t equal to 3x square into derivative of x with respect to t, and derivative of 2 is 0. Therefore derivative of y with respect to t equal to 3x square upon 6 into derivative of x with respect to t. Therefore derivative of y with respect to t equal to x square, 3 2 ja x square upon 2 derivative of x with respect to t. Equation number 1. According the question given that y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as x coordinate, means rate of change of y with respect to t is equal to 8 times derivative of x with respect to t. Rate of change of x with respect to t. Equation number 2. Solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. Put derivative of y with respect to 2 in this. Therefore 8 times derivative of x with respect to t equal to x square upon 2 into derivative of x with respect to t. Derivative of x with respect to t cancel. Applying cross multiplication, therefore x square equal to 8 2 ja 16. Therefore x equal to plus minus 4. X equal to plus minus 4. Putting the value of x, putting the value of x in equation number, suppose that a, this equation is a, equation number a. So if x equal to 4, then 6y equal to 4 cube, 64 plus 2. So therefore y equal to 66 upon 6 equal to 11. If x equal to minus 4, take minus 4, then 6y equal to minus 64 plus 2. 6y equal to minus 62. Therefore y equal to minus 62 upon 6. 2 3 ja 2 1 ja, y equal to minus 31 upon 3. So therefore the coordinate of the points on the curve, is 4, 11 and minus 4, minus 31 upon 3. Answer. Write down. Question number 15. The radius of an air bubble is increasing at the rate of 1 upon 2 centimeter per second. According to the question, radius of air bubble, derivative of r with respect to t. Radius of air bubble increasing at the rate of 1 upon 2 centimeter per second. at what rate its volume of bubble increasing when radius is 1 centimeter. Suppose that air bubble is a sphere. We know that air bubble is a sphere. Therefore let the volume of air bubble be V. तो we know that the volume of sphere V equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Then find at what rate of volume of bubble increasing. वॉल्यूम ऑफ बबल किस रेट से इंक्रीज हो रहा है तो इसको हम डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टी. देयरफॉर डेरिवेटिव ऑफ v विद रिस्पेक्ट टू t इक्वल टू 4/3 पाई इंटू डी डी टी आर क्यूब. देयरफॉर डेरिवेटिव ऑफ v विद रिस्पेक्ट टू t इक्वल टू 4/3 पाई इंटू 3r स्क्वायर इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ r विद रिस्पेक्ट टू t. Given that the derivative of r with respect to t is 1/2. Therefore 4/3 pi into 3r square into 1/2. 3 cancel, 2 1 2 2 जा. So therefore 2r square. Volume means इसकी यूनिट होगी सेंटीमीटर क्यूब पर सेकेंड. Find the rate of change of volume if radius is 1 centimeter. Therefore rate of change of volume if r equal to 1. Putting r equal to 1, 2 into 1 square equal to 2 centimeter cube per second. Write down rate of change of volume.